Hi everyone, it's Genene here with a calming evening yoga practice that focuses on gentle forward bends and hip openers. These evening and morning classes are come as you are, usually no props needed or special clothing. Just remember to click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and click like if you like this video, and let me know in the comment what worked best for you. That way I can make more videos like it. Let's come on to our hands and knees, and from hands and knees into child's pose. So big toes together, knees wider than your hips, arms stretched out. Bring your forehead to the earth. And if you need to, if the earth isn't available to you, grab a block and place that block underneath your forehead so that you're comfortable, so that you can begin to calm down here. And then walk over to the left with your whole upper body and your arms stretched through the side body. Walk over center, walk over to the right. And then walk back up center. Hands come underneath the shoulders, press yourself up. Hands and knees, wrist underneath shoulders, knees underneath hip bones. Gaze out in front of you on the floor a few feet so your neck is nice and long. Firm your pelvic floor. Firm your abdominals. And then inhale your right arm and your left leg in the air. Hold and stretch. Feel the back working to support your limbs. And then exhale, set everything down. Switch sides. Inhale, left arm, right leg. And again, making sure that your neck is nice and long. And you're stretching from left fingers to right toes. Pushing the floor away with that right hand. Exhale, set the hand down. Downward facing dog. And bicycle the legs. And then come back to center. So inhale the right leg in the air. And exhale, knee to chest. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale up. And exhale, knee to chest. Hold here. Look in between your hands. And then step your right foot forward and bring that left knee down to the floor. From here, hands frame the foot to start. And then walk the right foot over to the left. Both hands come to the inside now. Then you can either come onto your forearms, or you're going to come onto two blocks. And hanging out. Just hanging out. No big deal. Just hang out. And then come up. Step that right leg back to meet the left. Down dog. Another opportunity. The fun thing is now to check in. Okay, we just did a little something on one side and not the other. How do the two sides feel different? Let's try the left leg. Inhale, left leg up. And exhale, draws the knee into your chest. The inhale stretches the leg up. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale. And exhale, and then hold. Look where you're going. Right between the hands that foot is going. Or maybe it's going to the outside. That's a little easier. And step the foot. Back knee goes down. You first frame the foot. And then bring the hands to the inside. So walk that left foot left. Good. Now, stay here. Elbows could bend. If this doesn't work, again, it's 2 blocks. You need 2 because you have 2 arms and they need to be in line with your shoulders. So another trick, I can show you on this side, bring the blocks a little further forward might be better for you. Little tricks. Now come up, step the left leg back to meet the right, and from here, downward facing dog. Inhale, come forward into plank and hold. Push the floor away strongly with your hands, gazing a little in front of you, so you're keeping your neck nice and long. And you're feeling your transverse abs working. Okay, maybe you can't feel them. Maybe you can. They're deep muscles in the torso that are way underneath. So if you keep them nice and strong, you're not going to look any cuter, but you're going to feel 100 times better. Now, up and back, downward facing dog. Come on to your knees. And let's return to child's pose. So big toes together, knees wider than your hips. And again, forehead to the floor, arms stay stretched out. Notice where you feel better here than at the beginning of practice. Draw your hands underneath your shoulders. Use your abdominals and your hands to press yourself up to a seated position. And thank you so much for joining me. And I look forward to hearing your comments about what worked the best for you on this sequence. And I'll see you again soon. Namaste.